Okay, so for today's task, we are going to do a vocabulary exercises, okay, mainly focusing on preposition, adjectives, and verbs. Okay, so for task A, you have to match to, with, of, and on with the words below. Okay, in the instruction, to, with, of, on is are considered as a preposition. So you have 4 prepositions there. So basically what you need to do is you need to pair these 4 prepositions with these 4 group of words given to you. Okay, the first group of word, in love, agree, angry. The second one, rely, keen, concentrate. The third one, jealous, ashamed, proud. The fourth one, listen, similar, belong. Okay, so let's try to do the first one and the second one. Okay, in love, agree, angry. So which preposition that can be used together with these words? In love with, yes, in love with, agree with, angry with. Okay, what about the second one? The second one, rely, keen, concentrate. Which preposition can be used to with those words? Rely on, keen on, concentrate on. Good. All right, now you decide for the third words and for the fourth words, okay, which preposition can be used together with them. Okay, if you don't know, don't worry, I will share with you the answer after this. But right now, you just try to do it on your own, okay? All right. The next one, task B. Okay, just now we talked about preposition, right? Those 4 words in the instruction. Okay. Now we are going to refresh a little bit about verb and adjective. What is verb? As I said before, verb is an action word. Okay, action or non-action. It can be action. Action means something that you can see physically, and non-action, a verb that cannot be seen with our eyes, naked eyes. So in Malay, verb is kata kerja. Kata kerja, okay? What about adjective? Adjective is word that describe noun. For example, I give you one noun, table. Okay, now describe the table. Okay, describe the table. Square. Other than that, sturdy. White color. Soft. Right? Okay, so adjective is words, is a describing words that describe noun. Now let's try to complete the table there. Let's read the instruction first. Complete the table with words in A. Okay, those words in A. Do you still remember those words in A? Okay, refer to your textbook, okay? These are the words in A. In love, angry, blah, 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 and until belong. Okay, now, verb plus preposition. So basically, you have to decide which words in A, given to you in A, is a verb or adjective. Adjective. Which word is a verb or which word is adjective?
Mommy, pegawai.
Okay, wait. I'm teaching.
Pegawai.
Yeah, I know. Right, I'm teaching.
Pegawai, Mommy.
Yes, I know. Okay, so in love. I've already written the answer there. In love, I wrote there V. Agree, V. Okay, can you see? In love, V. Agree, V. Rely, V. So basically, in love, agree, rely, concentrate, listen, belong is considered to be verb. Okay, meanwhile, angry, keen, jealous, ashamed, proud, similar is adjective. Okay. How do you know a word is verb or adjective? Okay, so one tips I can give you is try to add ing. Okay, ing behind the word. Do you think it will make sense? Do you think it will be suitable? For example, agreeing. Agree, ing, agreeing. we can add ing behind the word. What about angry? Can it be angrying? Cannot, right? What about keen? Keening. It can be like that. Concentrating? Yes. We can add ing. What about prouding? Is there such thing as prouding? No. Right. What about similaring? No, cannot. So listening, belonging, relying, agreeing are the words that you can add ing behind it. But teacher, what about in love? We cannot add ing behind in love? Yes. We cannot add ing behind in love. But that is still, in love is still considered to be verb, kata kerja. Why do I say so? Okay, because of the words in front of love. Okay, if love itself, standalone love, that one cannot be verb. Okay, but in love, yes, it can be verb because it is the experience. It is the things that is happening at that time. You are being in love, so that is considered to be verb, right? If love on its own, then it cannot be verb. It will be adjective. But because of the word in front of love, it becomes verb. All right? This is a special case lah. Other than that, you can stick to the ing tips lah. Okay. So let's try to. Okay. So basically, I've just given you the answer right now, right? Just now I have given you the answer. So in love, agree, rely, concentrate, listen, belong are in. You can write them down in the verb plus preposition column. Other words, just write them down in the adjective plus preposition. Okay, if I'm going too fast, okay, don't worry, I will share you the answer after this, basically 10 minutes before the class end. So you can refer and cross check your answer, use your red pen and then mark your own answer. Okay. What else? Oh, for task C and task D, okay, that one you need to do on your own because I've already explained to you the concept, okay, the main concept, preposition, adjective and verb in task A and B. So task C and D, you just have to use the words that you've discovered from A and B to complete the sentences. All right. If you have any question, as I said before, and always call me or text me, or simply just refer to the answer to cross-check your own answer. Okay. All right. That's all. Thank you.